guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, I would love to have you just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today, I have for you a Grove collaborative haul. I've already done one on this channel. And if you're interested in seeing what I got this time, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm just going to start pulling stuff out of the box so that we can see. Okay, I got the, I don't know how to pronounce this, Ylang Calendula deodorant. As you all know, I've stated before that I'm trying to go all natural with stuff. And I got some of this in another video. It wasn't the same smell. This is natural deodorant. And the other one was another scent. But I actually haven't tried these yet because I got another deodorant. And I'm trying to use it up first before I start with these. And this smells like, almost smells like some kind of baby lotion or something. Almost like Baby Magic almost, but not as strong. So I got this. So once I finish using up the one that I have, I think I have Tom's. Once I finish that, I'm going to start using these. But I got another one just to get more scents. I also got two more of these. And this one is the lemon ginger. And these things, like I told you guys before, I freaking love them. Let's see what this one smells like. And I just thought I would get a different scent. Like I said, originally I got these from Target, and I got the one that's brown, and I really love the smell of that one. But I didn't see the brown one on the Grove site, so I just got the, I don't know what I got last time, but I will link that video up here so you can see which one it is. Oh, this one has a good smell. So I'll be using these, and I use this on my hardwood floors, and it is surface safe, non-toxic and plant-based, and it's for hardwood floor cleaner. And it doesn't shine it, it just cleans it. And I got these last time, and I actually got some more, the sponges, because sponges hold bacteria, and two comes in a pack, so I don't keep them long and I throw them away. And I like these because they have the little scrubber on one side of it and the sponge on the other. And I got the some more of this. I think I got this before, and I may have already had it, but I have this already and I like this. But I got the Myers tub and towel cleaner, and this is the lavender scent, and I'll smell it for you guys in case nobody has ever used it before. And it smells just like lavender, and it's a kind of strong scent, but it's actually a good cleaner. I spray it on my glass door as well in my tub, and they have another one that foams. I probably got another one of those. Yeah, this one. I really like this one too. I use both of these in my shower, and I use one on the door. Well, I use them both, but I use this one more on the door, this one more on the door, and then this one in the tub on the towel. And this flavor is spearmint. I don't know if the other one is spearmint or not. And it does smell just like spearmint. It's kind of strong as well. The scent of it, the spearmint scent is strong. But they're good cleaners. So I have this, and it's antibacterial, so it's good for your sinks as well as your shower. I have three more things. I got some more dish soap, and this one is lavender. And let's see if it smells just like the tub and towel cleaner, because I don't ever smell them. I just use them. And I don't use my dishwasher. I hand wash dishes, so I use a lot of dish detergent, and I pour bleach in my dishwasher. Yeah, actually they smell the exact same. I dropped the towel. So the scent is the same on both of these dish soap as well as the tub cleaner, because they're both lavender and they smell the exact same. And I got some Clean Day, and this is Hardworking Home Keeper, and it's just a cleaner. And the scent of this, not a cleaner, I'm sorry, this is a room freshener, and it is in the scent lavender. And I think I got this last time, not sure if it was the same scent, I can't remember, but I actually like them. I spray it in the room, and it actually has a good lasting spray. And I put one in the bathroom, So I'm going to put this one in the other bathroom. So now I have 2. And I've been changing out all of my hand soaps in each of our bathrooms each month when I get one of these. So this is the hand soap made with olive oil and aloe vera, and this is the lavender scent as well. And it smells, actually this scent is a little bit lighter than these. And that's all that I got from my haul from this month. Well, it really was from last month. I have one coming because I actually just seen it, but I actually didn't get a notification, so I didn't pick anything out. So I don't even know what that is because I forgot to go on and check and see if they had anything new to change it. But as I said before, that the Grow Collaborative it's a monthly subscription, and I think you have to order $15 a month for them to ship it. If you go in and you can change, they recommend things for you and put it in your cart. You can go in and look. Usually they send you a text and say your order is on about to be shipped. You can go in and make changes prior to. Go in, you make your changes, and then you get whatever you select. So that is it with everything that I got for last month. I haven't used all of these yet because I'm still on the end of what I have left. So hopefully whatever I get, they send me is something I like and not a duplication of stuff that I already have. And yeah, once again, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to thumbs up. If you like these types of videos, let me know. If you'd like to see other things, so like clean with me, those type of videos, let me know that as well, and I can do those on the channel as well. So once again, thank you guys for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.